Hi, I'm Miriam Cutelis, and today I'm going to have you join me organize my files on Canvas. First, I'm going to share my screen on my dashboard. Let's see. So here we are, we're in my dashboard, and I want to organize my files on my courses. Now, the files are separately in each course. So I have 3 courses, and the way that you organize the files are individually per course. So you're going to click on your course, you're going to go to Files, and right now my files are just thrown into this big pile here. And what I'm going to do is I am going to create a folder for my different months. There's different ways to organize it. The way that I like to organize my files is by months. So I have my April files, and then I kind of drop the ball. So I'm going to obviously make a May files, and there we go. And all of the courses, the lessons or videos that I've created in May, I'm just going to plunk into the May file. And that is going to make it easier for me to find some of these files later on, and also make it easier for me to find out which ones I need to save versus erase. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to continue doing that, but I also want you to pay attention to how much space you have left. At the bottom of your files on the left, there's a percentage of how much space you have left. What I tend to do is, because I teach art, I make my videos, I make quality videos so that I can later save them on my personal YouTube channel. So I save my quality videos on my personal YouTube channel, and you have the option at that point to make your videos either private or private, unlisted, or public. In my case, I make them public. The wonderful thing about saving your files on YouTube is that you are able to then later download the entire file back to your computer. So if you want, you can go ahead and erase older files. This is why I file them by month, so that the older months I can go ahead and just toss out, knowing that the quality videos are on YouTube, that I have saved on YouTube. So that is my system of organizing my files so that I am not overloading the storage on Canvas. People have different other ways to manage that, but that is how I manage my space issues. So I'm going to continue to organize my files, and thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful.